Alright guys, hey, this is my first vlog. If you guys haven't seen my regular YouTube channel, mine is Awesomeness. Search that up. It's made for me. Handsome Tuck Steve. It's me, Handsome Tuck Steve. I'm just in my special vlog costume. Very first vlog. And I think I'm gonna be doing vlogs in my regular Minecraft and Xbox videos. The mask kind of cut tight on me too. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about movies right now, and movies are one of my favorite things. I like action, I like comedy and action. I don't really like ghost stories or stuff like that. I like let me think of some of my favorite. I think I can think like of a million movies. I like. Like hold my camera up a little. I think Ride Along. Right along. Oh, what's it called again? What's the movie called? Oh yeah, the Single Moms Club, Tyler Perry. Uh, Rio 2 Lego Movie. Um, mm, Pompeii. Oh, what's it called? Oh, yeah, what's the movie called? And I think it's called. Ha 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 ha. What's it called? Yeah, it's called. Oh yeah, Ted. Ted, I love that movie. And how many minutes have I recorded? Recording for 2 minutes. Yeah, I can see really good through this mask. Uh, give me a sec. Well, I'll take a little break right now. I gotta use the bathroom really bad. Finally got my mask back on. Oh yeah, so uh, I've been growing up with a lot of movies in my day, and I really like the old-fashioned movies because they're really good and they have like more experience. And I like really good movies, and I God, oxygen, I need you. Give me a sec, let me turn around. Okay. Maybe I'll leave a link to the trailers of my favorite movies. I think I'm definitely gonna have Guatemala. I really love that movie. It's really funny. Uh, I feel like my mouse is gonna cry. Can she? Oh crap. Okay. Uh, so yeah, I really like you guys, and I hope I do better in my second vlog, and I'll do my second vlog every 2 days, maybe every 2 days. Okay. Oh, tomorrow, my next Minecraft video, I'm gonna be building a school. Just to let you guys know, a school. I got a schedule. I gotta check my schedule out. I think it's a Rainbow House. Rainbow House, yeah. And I'm gonna finish my mansion and my stable. I'm gonna build a stable too, and maybe a harbor. Harbor. Remember to hit that big red subscribe button, that like, and I please like and subscribe and leave comments. I would love to leave comments. And if I get a lot of comments from a lot of people, I get if I get a lot of comments from people, in this week and this whole week, if you've seen this video and go to the end and um go to the end of this video, and I'll be giving out $30 GameStop card for every 10 comments. Let's try to get 10 comments, because if we get 10 comments, who would be the next $30 GameStop card winner? And they can get the card twice. So leave 20 comments for the card twice. Yeah. Yay. Hope you liked the video, and bye. Bye, because I'm suffocating. And oh my god, get this.